Good morning. Welcome back to V Academy. Myself, Jagdish Alkur. So today, as all of you know, Karntaka state election going on. So request you to go and vote. Vote for right and vote for evolution. Because if we don't vote, we are ignoring history. At the same time, we are giving away future. Right? Voting is not only our right, it's our power. So every vote counts. Vote is your superpower. Vote is a responsibility, at the same time a right. Okay, and one more thing very important saying, when I got through, right, one of the great author, so I got, the ballot is stronger than the bullet. Ballot is stronger than bullet. So I request everyone, go and vote and show your power. If you can't vote, then you don't have rights to claim any complaint, right? So please go vote. Thank you. Have a nice day.